Tragedy struck Gaza as a humanitarian airdrop turned fatal, claiming the lives of 5 individuals and leaving 10 others wounded. The incident occurred on Friday morning near the Al-Shati refugee camp, a region already ravaged by hardship. Witnesses recounted how a pallet of aid intended to provide relief to those in desperate need went awry when its parachute malfunctioned, sending the parcel crashing down on a group of individuals ranging from men to children, all eagerly seeking sustenance and supplies. Among the ruins of their homes in northern Gaza, where basic amenities are scarce, hundreds of thousands face the looming threat of famine. The injured were swiftly transported to Gaza City's Al-Shifa hospital for urgent medical attention. Video posted on social media showed a large cluster of aid parcels suspended from parachutes drifting through the sky but appearing to get tangled before one, with its chute deployed but not fully opened, drops much more quickly than the rest. The airdrops have been criticized by international aid agencies and others as wholly insufficient to meet the needs of the people of Gaza. Amidst the dire conditions in northern Gaza, exacerbated by over 5 months of conflict, both the US and Jordan have conducted airdrop operations to provide aid to the beleaguered populace. Clarifying the situation, a US defense official asserted that the fatalities during the airdrop were not caused by their actions. Similarly, a Jordanian military source affirmed that none of their 4 aircraft involved in the operation were implicated in the tragic fatalities. We are aware of reports of civilians killed as a result of humanitarian airdrops. We express sympathies to the families of those who were killed. Contrary to some report, this was not the result of US airdrops, US Central Command said in a post on X late on Friday. Referring to the 5 people killed on Friday, the government media office in Hamas-run Gaza said airdrops were futile and not the best way for aid to enter. The airdrops on Friday occurred in the wake of President Biden's declaration made just a day prior regarding the construction of a temporary pier along Gaza's Mediterranean coast by the US military. The pier is intended to facilitate the reception of humanitarian aid shipments encompassing essentials like food, water, medicine, and temporary shelters, with the aim of bolstering the influx of crucial goods into the enclave.